Hey guys, once again I'm gonna be posting another review. This is a dehumidifier. It's a compact one. It's small, look, compared to my hand, and it's by Gurin. It comes in two pieces, which is the little apparatus and the outlet, the cord, which connects up to the back. Right here, it comes off for easy storage. See, you put it back in, and that's it. I have it in my daughter's room, and I just brought it over here so I could show you. But right here is where the water is, and once it's full, you see, it's we just had Storm Patricia, so right here I have like the humidity in her room, so I'm gonna throw this out once it's full. Sorry, I'm dealing with this one hand and it's kind of hard. I'm gonna plug it in. See? And okay, I had it on. This off. On. I don't know if you could hear, but the noise is so soft. You can't even hear it unless you're really paying attention to it. And right here will tell you once it's full. So I mean, it's gonna stop working, and it's gonna turn green over here, and you're gonna have to remove this and throw it out. But I mean, overall, it's a really good product. See, it's small, tiny. You can like buy one, have one in each room. I live in South Texas, so we have humidity like crazy, so I have one of these in each room. But this one's in my daughter's, is just the least noisy one. Okay, well, I'm gonna be posting the link also in the bottom, so you could purchase it if you're interested or want more information on it. Well, give me a thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.